Have to change motor oil on Toyota Highlander hybrid. You need to unscrew this one plastic cover, because under cover we have oil filter, and we need to unscrew it to drain old oil. We need to unscrew this bolt. Okay, let's do this. I already started unscrew this plastic cover. Okay, I am already remove this plastic cover, and right now we have enough room to unscrew this motor oil filter. For unscrewing this filter I will be use channel lock. But the first I need to drain old motor oil to unscrew it, and this one cap, this one bolt. To unscrew this bolt I used socket number 14. I already release it, and don't forget put something underneath, because we have a lot of motor oil. To drain old motor oil I use this one and start to be unscrewed this bolt. And don't forget to remove this cap. It will be easy for you to drain motor oil. Okay, I'm screwed this bolt, and old motor oil start to be drained. When you unscrew it draining cap bolt, don't forget to change this metal O-ring drain gasket, old one for new one. Okay, all motor oil already drained, just maybe couples drop, and right now I can screw it back, this bolt, and after this I need to change oil filter. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I already screwed this bolt, and right now let's to remove this old motor oil filter. I will be use channel lock to unscrew it motor filter. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I put this channel lock and lock the filter and start to unscrew it. It's really easy. After when I release this motor oil filter to use channel lock, this filter start to easy unscrew it with hands. And don't forget to put this back, because motor oil start to be drained again from filter. Okay, I am ready remove the old motor oil filter. It was the frame model TG 3614. This filter for 15,000, and I already bought another one. It's same brand, frame XG 3614. This filter for 20,000. Okay, I already install back new oil filter, and right now I need to fill motor oil, and it's it. Okay, let's do that. Okay, for this kind engine, Toyota recommended to use motor oil 5W20 or 0W20. I will be use this brand Pennzoil 5W20. Okay, let's start to fill. After when you fill motor oil, just let's go back underneath and to check something leak. No leak here, no leak here, everything good. Okay, right now I can back to screw this plastic cover. Okay, plastic cover already installed, everything good, no motor oil. Thank you, have a good day, and don't forget subscribe. Thank you, bye.